What's my name?
Josephine.
All of us.
No. My mum is those shirt. And really. Why are you filming me?
You get Josephine now.
Oi, what are you lot? Grandmas will say like that. Really? Do you all have penises? I didn't think that. But
Bruv, you ain't got penises, you are all girls.
who's that in my girl?
Show us. Prove it.
Get out.
Show
then.
us. Prove it. Yeah, I'm
out.
on it. I'm on it. Trust me, I'm on it.
No. Oi, do it.
Show us.
Careful.
Why did I show someone like you my penis?
Someone
What
like
do
you.
you mean? What's wrong with us?
Go on.
That's the
I can't say nothing.
more for the main show.
We'll do it then. I bet it's really small, that's why you won't get it out. He's got a small knob, that's why you will not get it out.
So I didn't have a knob before, but now I have a knob.
No, you've got a small knob.
No, you said I didn't have a knob before.
Right, let me settle this.
said
I don't believe you have a knob, innit?
Now I have a small knob.
I said, he's got a small knob, that's why he didn't get it out before.
Lola, he's getting rude to you. He ain't having it.
Shut me, Mag. You're a small knob.
Shut up, because your balls ain't dropped.
It's improvement.
They're still in his belly.
Bruv,
I'm not being funny, but as long as I've gone from not having a knob at all to a small knob, it's improved.
Bruv, you're chatting bare shit.
But who said you didn't have a knob?
Boy, should we just go around there and bang them?
We should have.
Shall we?
Spit on him.
Should we just fuck them up?
Spit on him.
Come on, let's go. I ain't having it. Come on. I ain't having it.
honestly, in the boy house.
Hilly boy ass.